Hello, this is Chuck at Aquatic Artists, and today we're talking about our Genesis Waterfall Kits and where they are today and where they evolved from. Today we have an amazing system of Genesis Waterfall Kits that are installed by other contractors. We have them in the ground. We've done projects, we've sold the kits to other contractors, they've installed them, and the promise was you can install this kit in a couple hours with no specialty skills, tools, or equipment, and that's exactly what happened. The contractors that purchased them, installed them, they said the same exact thing. It was an easy install, consistent profitability, our guys did it no problem, and it went great. Generally, before Genesis, our waterfalls started at around $10,000 and went up from there. And I said to our team a couple years ago, I said, what if we could install a $5,000 waterfall? How could that work? And everybody said, can't do it, no way. Our overhead structure is high. Our wonderful people are, hopefully they think they're paid well. So we have a lot of overhead. So it's impossible for us to send a crew of guys out for the day and have a $5,000 price point. I said, well, what would that look like if we could do it? What it would look like is two guys could do it in one day with no equipment. Lower the overhead, one truck, one trailer, two guys, one day. And then we developed it over the course of a year or two. We developed it for us to use internally at Aquatic Artists. And we were selling waterfalls, Genesis waterfalls, that we were building for around $5,000. And we got it down to two guys, one day, no equipment, no problem. Then we installed about 10 or 20 of them. And they went so smooth and so quick, and the customers loved them, and it was a great price point. I said, you know what? This is a product. How do we turn this into a product that could be shippable, that other contractors could install without our skills in waterfall building? And then we spent the next year figuring that out. We figured out shipping, the packaging, building the product, lightweight, easy to move, easy to install, easy to ship, easy to put together. Again, we wanted to make it simple so that people without the waterfall building skills or experience can do it. We launched Genesis Waterfall Kits, and that has been amazing. The kits are working really well. We've installed the kits, easy install, they look great, customers love them, no problems, they don't leak, because in the fabrication process, we check them for leaks, we test them. And now it's also part of our larger system, which is photographing the kits, putting them on the website, so when someone buys them, they go onto our website and they pick the kit, and then the exact kit that they pick has a number. That kit gets packaged and shipped out to them, and they get that exact kit with those exact rocks. And it has worked really well. It's very promising because every person that installed one outside of our company has loved it and said, now we're gonna sell waterfalls.
This is pretty easy to do, definitely worth the price.
So we're super excited about everything going forward, and we're also developing a lot more kits. Now that the model has worked, we are developing larger waterfall kits. We are developing slide waterfall kits. We're developing our AWS systems, which are large grotto kits, and we've installed them, and they're amazing. There are challenges, and you have to change things and modify, but everybody that's installed them has loved them, and so we're super excited about developing more products and launching them to our audience.